Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see a step-by-step guide on how to reset your car's throttle system. Resetting the throttle system can help fix rough idling, poor acceleration, high fuel consumption, and throttle lag. This guide provides multiple reset methods, troubleshooting tips, and when to perform a throttle reset. The throttle system controls the amount of air entering the engine, regulating power and fuel efficiency. It consists of the throttle body, which opens and closes to allow air intake, the throttle position sensor, which monitors the throttle valve position, the electronic throttle control, which adjusts throttle position electronically in modern cars, and the engine control unit, which uses sensor data to optimize throttle performance. Over time, the throttle system can develop issues due to carbon buildup in the throttle body, battery replacement or disconnection, throttle body cleaning or replacement, and check engine light codes like P0121, P0122, P0123, P2119, etc. You might also experience rough idling or delayed acceleration, throttle response lag or stalling. Resetting the throttle system allows the ECU to relearn the correct idle position and throttle response. Method 1. Manual throttle reset without tools. Works for most cars. This method works for most vehicles with electronic throttle control. Step 1. Turn the ignition on, but do not start the engine. Insert the key and turn it to the on position, or press the start button without pressing the brake. Wait for 3 to 5 seconds until the dashboard lights stabilize. Step 2. Press and release the accelerator pedal. Fully press the gas pedal to the floor slowly. Then, slowly release the pedal back to its normal position. Repeat this process 3 times within 5 seconds. Step 3. Turn the ignition off and wait. Turn the key off and wait 10 seconds. Step 4. Start the engine and let it idle. Start the engine without pressing the accelerator. Let the engine idle for 5 to 10 minutes to allow the ECU to relearn the throttle position. If the idle stabilizes and the throttle response improves, the reset was successful. Method 2. Battery disconnection reset for those hard resets. If the manual reset doesn't work, try a battery reset to clear throttle memory. Step 1. Disconnect the battery, turn the ignition off, remove the negative battery terminal using a wrench. Leave it disconnected for 15 to 30 minutes to erase stored throttle data. Step 2. Discharge residual power, press and hold the brake pedal for 30 seconds to drain any remaining ECU power. Step 3. Reconnect the battery, reconnect the negative battery terminal securely. Step 4. Start the engine and let it idle. Turn the ignition to on, without starting for 2 minutes. Start the engine and let it idle for 5 to 10 minutes to complete the reset. If the check engine light turns off and the car idles smoothly, the reset worked. Method 3. Using an OBD2 scanner, which is great for electronic throttle control vehicles. For modern vehicles with electronic throttle control, an OBD2 scanner is the best method. Step 1. Connect an OBD2 scanner. Plug the scanner into your car's OBD2 port, usually located under the dashboard. Step 2. Select the throttle reset option. Turn the ignition on but do not start the engine. In the scanner menu, select throttle position sensor reset or throttle idle relearn. Step 3. Follow the scanner instructions. The scanner may ask you to press the accelerator, turn the ignition off, or let the engine idle. Step 4. Restart the engine. Turn the ignition off, then restart the engine. Allow the car to idle for 5 to 10 minutes. If the throttle response improves and the idle stabilizes, the reset was successful. Method 4. Throttle body relearn procedure, especially for vehicles with drive-by-wire systems. Some cars require a throttle body relearn procedure after cleaning or replacing the throttle body. Step 1. Warm up the engine. Start the car and let it idle until it reaches normal operating temperature. Step 2. Let the engine idle for 5 to 10 minutes. Do not touch the gas pedal. The ECU will automatically relearn the correct throttle position. Step 3. Test drive the car. Drive at 30 to 50 miles per hour for a few minutes. Accelerate and decelerate a few times to check throttle response. If the engine idles smoothly and accelerates without hesitation, the reset was successful. Signs that your throttle reset worked include smooth idling with no rough vibrations, improved throttle response with faster acceleration, no check engine light or it turning off after driving, and better fuel efficiency. If you're troubleshooting after a reset and the car is still idling rough, try cleaning the throttle body and performing another reset. If the check engine light is still on, use an OBD2 scanner to check for stored error codes. And if throttle response is still delayed, the throttle body or sensor may be faulty. You should reset the throttle system after cleaning or replacing the throttle body, after disconnecting or replacing the battery, if you experience rough idling or poor acceleration, if the check engine light is related to throttle control, or if the car has low power, delayed throttle response, or hesitation. For a successful throttle reset, use a throttle cleaner before resetting for better results. Ensure your battery is fully charged before performing the reset, and drive for 10 to 15 minutes after the reset for the ECU to fully adapt.